I heard with some rumors that Makwela Musamseleku's fifth wife, she has go back to her old job. Yes, her bosses, they can understand Makwela because they watch Utando Nestembo. Makwela told Musamseleku that you are the reason why I'm quitting my job. I don't work now. Musamseleku gave Makwela 100 rands on cameras so they can take her back because they understand her situation. Makwela now have got opportunities to get job. Makwela have to stop listen to Musamseleku. Musamseleku says stay at home. Mangwabe Mayeni, they are working. Musamseleku buy houses for them and they go to work. Makwela have to concentrate with her work. Why Musamseleku now want to control Makwela? Because he is in fear to lose Makwela like what he did to Makumalo. He want to control Makwela to be on his line. That's why Musamseleku doesn't want Makwela to work. So Makwela now stop listen to Musamseleku. We watch it on season 8 what's going to be happen because between Makwela and Musamseleku, Makwela, she is going to open her two eyes and so that now she is staying for nothing. Other people, they are going ahead. They are fulfilling their dreams. Makumalo, she is doing well on her business. So Makwela, yes, go back to her old job. Her bosses, they can understand her because they watch her situation on television. Other women, they have got new houses, what. But Makwela, she doesn't have nothing. And she is regretting why she quit her job because it's for nothing now for Makwela. She is raising her daughter at her parents' house. It's like Musamseleku's girlfriend. Makwela and Musamseleku, they are still boyfriend and girlfriend, those people. So yeah, bosses, they can understand it. And Makwela have got opportunity because now is Musamseleku's fifth wife. Makwela have got opportunity to get many jobs if she have got qualified certificates and she have to take to go back to school again or to study. She can do both work and study to be serious with her life and forgot about if Musamseleku decide to bring her in Muzumbe, can bring her, but she have to concentrate on work than to wait for Musamseleku to do something like she is desperate with marriage. You have to concentrate about the future of your kids, not about Musamseleku and his wives. Yes, they are doing content or what, but the important thing, even to go to the clubs, Makwela have to stop to go to the clubs. She is not doing it for Musamseleku, she is doing it for herself. Makwela have to stop because Makwela have got a child now. She is the mother of Metuli. It's not about tomorrow we heard that Makwela have got being shot at those clubs, what, because there is many things is happening nowadays. You know that those things are happening in South Africa. So Makwela have to concentrate with her job, not to concentrate on those things Musamseleku was telling Makwela. Her bosses can understand Makwela very well because that girl was still young and Musamseleku promised Makwela many things, to do many things for Makwela. And Makwela have got nothing. Other women, their houses are trending. People are talking many things on social media about Makwela. Makwela doesn't have a house. Other wives, they have got houses. How she can feel Makwela now. Those the rumors can say many things about her, and other wives are enjoying on their new houses because the Makwela now you have to open her eyes. Musamseleku want to control Makwela and Macele because are those two people, they don't work. Other wives, they don't care if Musamseleku buy the food or not, but not buying the food at end of the month, they don't care. But Makwela and Macele, they have to beg Musamseleku every time. Makwela, she want money. Musamseleku, we saw him, he was giving Makwela 100 rands on cameras. Why they don't take her back, her bosses? They can understand their situation with that old man, that girl, she is going to be suffered. And South African people, they have pity on people. They have got pity a lot. So they have pity that girl, she is going to suffer with her child. So Makwela, she is going back to her odd job, but Makwela have to stop to go to drink alcohol in clubs. It's not good for her because now it's the mother